Hello everyone, welcome to Mystic Pour Studio. Today I am attempting to make resin bowls for the first time using my floral coaster molds. So let's begin. I will start by highlighting the floral pattern with the help of a golden marker. I am now mixing the resin and hardener. Make sure you mix it for at least 4 to 5 minutes depending on the product specification and the temperature of your room. Once the resin is thoroughly mixed, in 3 separate cups I am adding pink pearl mica powder, white pearl mica powder and gold foil flakes. Now let's start pouring. First I am adding the pink mix around the edges. Now let's add the white pearl mica powder mix. And finally I'm adding the clear resin mixed with gold flakes in the center of the mold. I'll leave these to sit overnight, allowing the resin to move and make a beautiful pattern. We want the resin to stay slightly flexible so we can shape the coasters into bowls. Since this is my first attempt at making bowls, I decided to go with only one of the coasters to see how it works. I've placed the coaster in a bowl to give it its shape and I'm gently heating it with a heat gun to make it more flexible. To hold the shape, I'll place another bowl on top and fill it with small stones for weight, ensuring the coaster stays in place. The coaster turned out beautifully, taking on a perfect bowl shape. The delicate floral details combined with the shimmer from the mica powder and golden flakes really stand out. This resin bowl will definitely add a touch of elegance and charm to any space, making it a unique and eye-catching piece of decor for your home. I'm so happy with how this first attempt turned out and I can't wait to create more. Thank you for watching everyone. Stay tuned for more.